Alright, this will be a fast one. Tonight we're going to draw Urnfulfilled from Yokai Watch 3. Urnfulfilled basically can only be found on the Blaster site when you're fighting on Yokai Watch 3. Urnfulfilled can be found almost anywhere on the game. Basically, it's really rare. The one thing about Urnfulfilled is that this guy has a large black hole on his chest that looks just like a flat screen TV. Alexa, what is an urn?
The noun, urn, can have a few meanings. 1. A large or decorative vase, especially one with an ornamental foot or pedestal. 2. A vase for holding the ashes of the cremated dead. 3. A large metal container with a spigot, used for making or serving tea or coffee in quantity. 4. The spore-bearing part of the capsule of a moss, between lid and seta.
There we go. Now we draw his other arm here. Here's his... There we go. That's a draw Urnfulfilled. Wow, that was kind of fast.